So it's a bake and take. So we've just arrived at the party and someone says, hey David, can you pop your casserole onto the dining room table? My mac and cheese casserole. Sure. Come right over here and place it beside the turkey on our dining room table. That's what makes this 9x9 baker with the tote bag so incredible. Now, in case you're wondering, yes, it does come with a snap-on storage cover, and we're going to be able to see that once we check in with our special guest. One-time only value priced on this, price only good until end of our show, and we're going to be showing you all of the pattern choices on QVC.com because we only have a few samples here in the studio. $34.56, shipping out the week of October the 4th. Let's bring in Tara Tesher, who brings us all things Temp-tations on QVC. She joins us now live via Skype. And Tara, always a pleasure to have you back.
Oh, so great to be here, David. And what a special story. We have not done a tote, I think a brand new tote in Temp-tations in, I think, 2 years. It's the only one in our assortment, and we call it our make, bake, and take. So here's the tote as you're going to receive it. Again, I love the fact that it has the pattern on the outside. It has the pattern on the top as well. But here's the beauty of it. On the inside, you have that silver therm lining. What does that mean? It means that this helps keep cold things colder longer and hot things hotter longer, just like our stoneware does. You have a pocket here if you want to put a tool, maybe you want to slide some napkins inside there. And then as you mentioned, here's the magic. We start with our stoneware, hand painted inside and outside, 9x9 square, so 3-quart baker. Helper handles here on the side, hand painting on the outside and the inside. There's that wrought iron rack, as you mentioned, taking it to and from the table. That's the system we call Temp-tations, but you have the ability to customize it, to take things on the go, to snap that storage cover right out of the oven. You don't even need to let it cool off. Zip it up and take it on the go. This is what we love about make, baking, and taking all your culinary creations.
Because this year, Tara, we're hoping to go over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. The horse goes away to carry the sleigh. And what we need to be carrying are the side dishes, the mac and cheese, the stuff, your mother's delicious stuffing. All of this comes together for you, a cobbler, a dessert. Now you've got food you can take with you on the go. Now, we don't have a lot in each color, and we're going to show you our color choices on QVC.com because we don't have all the samples here in the studio today. So we're going to begin with Floral Lace Blue, $4.50 remain. Then the black, $300 there. The cranberry, $200. The gray, $600. Finally, that gorgeous red makes me so happy, makes me feel like the holidays. $300 there, and the taupe, $700 in the taupe. Then we're going to move into Old World, and Old World begins with taupe, $700. Then the blue, $320. The confetti, $750. The green, $340, and the gray, $700 there. And then finally, woodland, your newest pattern, Miss Tara. I'm loving some woodland.
Yes.
Now, gray, $400, taupe, $340, and the always popular white, $350 remain. We've now taken 900 orders, and Tara, I can't stress enough, free shipping and handling. Did I say free? Free shipping and handling. This is the day to order whatever you need. And this price only good until the end of our show.
You're right. And you have woodland right in front of you, David. There's, of course, our beautiful bubbling mac and cheese, or cobbler. We already took the mac and cheese out. There's the woodland. I wanted to show you. It's the first time we've ever done a tote in our woodland. So that's for our white. You see that beautiful gray detailing. David's just going to go ahead and unzip it all the way around the side. And then look how beautiful that woodland is. It's got that carved wood grain detail right on the sides there. It's uber popular. It's kind of that farmhouse chic, and one of our newest members to the family in patterns. Of course, it comes with the snap-on storage cover as well. So I love the fact that you can use that baker separately. You can use the wire rack separately. You can use the tote separately. Remember, that's an insulated tote. So keeping hot things hotter longer, cold things colder longer. So to David's point, those au gratin potatoes that you're famous for, that you're going to be bringing along with you, it's nice that it stays warm in the tote the entire time. So when you're getting to someone's house, you're not asking them for oven space, right? We need our oven space. So it keeps it nice and warm. And exactly what David was just saying, showing you. If you don't have a ton of strength in your hands, I don't make these straps super long so that you can just slide your arm right through it. So every detail we think about, and the fact that it's a 9x9, one of the rarest 3-quart square bakers that we do in a tote that we haven't done in 2 years. I just love it.
Yeah, and Tara, you're carrying it like a catering a tote.
Correct.
Because
Correct.
it's this is a casserole dish. You don't want to carry it on its side because everything slops out, right? So this is why we want to carry it upright. This is very, very popular. In fact, now we've taken orders for 2,000 are gone. And we have how many? 1,000 customers on the phone lines. Now, before we do colors again, let's remind everybody that this has all the detailing that we love about Temp-tations. This is the floral lace, that beaded pattern, that beautiful old style that is going to make us feel like we are eating and serving out of an heirloom piece of stoneware, because that's exactly what each piece becomes as it becomes a part of your home collection. You get proud of the things that you make and you want them to present as beautifully as they are delicious. And that's exactly what's happening here. Don't miss out on this opportunity. If you've never seen the woodland tote before, already popular and very good. Oh, and white woodland's already sold out, Tara. White woodland has left the building. So I'm going to take this one away.
You called it. You
All right,
called it.
I'll hand this one off this way. We're going to go back and do our colors, but let me just say, romantic, beautiful, the kind of baker you're proud to serve your best dish in. That's what this is all about. Now, in the floral lace blue, only a fewer than 100 remaining, Tara, going very quickly. Then we have it for you in the black, 170. Cranberry, 6 dozen, all I have left. Gray, 500, then the red, 150. Can you say ho ho Santa red? And then finally, the taupe, 600 remaining. Now let's go old world blue, 200 left. Confetti, 550. The green, 250. That gorgeous gray, 650. The taupe, 700. Now in woodland, we have only 2 colors remaining. We have the gray, and there's only 200 left, and taupe is 200. Now, Tara, I see that the taupe carrier has taupe handles and taupe trim. Is the gray the same? It's a gray carrier?
Correct. Gray carrier with gray handles. Yes. What we did was we really gave you that stylish kind of accent color. So you'll see even with the floral lace, you have that great white top here.
Tara,
and then the blue floral lace. Yes.
That blue floral lace you're holding is gone.
Oh, no.
And cranberry
well,
floral
you're
lace
going to
just
love
sold out.
it. Well, while you're here, I know this is sold out, but since you don't have a snap-on storage cover, I did just want to show you. This is what's great when you have leftovers. This is what's great when you want to take it on the go. I could have mac and cheese. This always blows David's mind. I can have bubbly mac and cheese, take the lid, put it right on, put it in its wire rack, put it right in its tote, zip it up, and take it on the go. And I never have to worry about it sloshing or spilling in the back seat because it's perfectly constructed to fit that gorgeous baker. That's gone.
We
Sorry.
are very, very busy now with 3,600 sold, and that's over half the quantity we brought in for the show. Now, if you want it in floral lace, I only have black, gray, and taupe. Wow.
Wow.
We have all colors in Old World, and in Woodland, only the gray and the taupe. Okay. Whew, Tara, going quick again. And you know, when I look at this and I see all the autumn decoration on the table, it just gets me excited about autumn cooking again. We're turning off the barbecue outside, we're rediscovering the stove and the oven, and we're pulling out our Temp-tations pieces to create masterpieces for the holidays.
And it's all about that feel-good food, right? That comfort food that so many of us love, so many of us look forward to. Yes, we all enjoy summer, but there's something about that fall cooking. There's something about nesting, kind of reinvigorating the way you're setting the table, getting out all of your kind of things you love to decorate, all of those recipes that you've tucked to the side that now are new again. You put special twists on. And Temp-tations not only creates the memories and the moments, but it gives you the versatility of not having to prepare a dish in a mixing bowl, mix it up, put it in another bowl that can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, transfer it into another dish that can go in your fine china. That is your fine china. Then when you have leftovers, snap the storage cover on it, put it away. So whether you're using the tote as just a way to store it, whether you're using a tote because you're going to take it on the go, whether it's cold that you want to keep cold, hot that you want to keep hot, the genius is on that silver therm lining on the inside. It truly helps insulate and keep everything cooler or hotter, as does that great stoneware. Take your metal hand mixer, mix your cakes right in there, put it in the oven, bake your cake, cut in it, brownies. 9x9 square, 3-quart baker. Hello, brownie. Hello,
Tara,
brownie.
pudding cake is my new favorite thing.
Oh,
Pudding
you have to
cake.
make that for me.
Oh,
How come I haven't
love
had
pudding
that yet?
cake. So good. All right, so let's talk to everyone now that we have taken orders for. 4,500, and we're going to show you colors on Keeves.com. In fact, the few I have left. I do want to remind you, you will get a plastic storage cover. So in case there's any confusion about that, you will get it. Okay, now, if you want floral lace, I have 300 gray and 450 in taupe, and that is all I have left in floral lace. Okay, in Old World, blue 7 dozen, confetti, 400 remaining. That's what Tara collects. That's most popular.
I love that one. Oof.
150 green, gray, 570, and taupe, 600. And then woodland, taupe only now, 3 dozen.
Ooh.
And imagine, Tara, when you show up for the dinner party and everyone's bringing a covered dish and everyone else is coming in with foil and something dripping out the side and they burned their finger and slopped it on their shoe. You come in and you're like, la, 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 bottle of wine in one hand, this in the other. And you just pop it down and you're like, because I've entertained with Tara before, I know how she rolls. And then she just pops the wine down, and then inside is the beautiful, gorgeous mac and cheese that we've already put on the table. It's so easy, it's so perfect, and this is this delivery system that will help you make, bake, take, serve, and store. Did I get them all?
You got them all.
I think. All right. Hey, Tara,
With
you're coming
ease.
back. You got another item, yes?
David, I have two more items, including, how about a set of 2 stoneware TV dinner trays? Oh, stay tuned.
Yeah, Mary's screaming she loves it. We all remember that shape from the 70s.
Yes.
When you peeled off the tin foil and it had the chocolate cake and the corn and the chicken and the cherry cobbler and everything.
Yes.
Delicious.
Yes.
All right, we're going to check in with Mary. I think Mary's passed out from all the good food.
Yeah.